walking along the border of Hong Kong and Shenzhen, discovering abandoned mining caves and an observation fort. This is John and Fern. Okay, welcome to another episode of Hike Your Hike. DJ is not here today, but we have a subscriber coming with us. You are?
I'm Robert Van Noortreek, live here in Hong Kong, and a big fan of the show.
Okay, where are we going today?
Today we're going to hike up the Robin's Nest, hopefully see some old relics from the war, a cave, and I think we're going to do about 11 kilometers today.
Cool. A history walk today. Let's go. In this series of John and Fern, we're hiking your hike. Over the past 5 years, we have covered more than 50 Hong Kong hikes, but there are lots more hidden gems that we need you to help us find. So if you know a great hike on our map, please let us know with a comment down below. In this episode, we walk the border between Hong Kong and Shenzhen and hike up to Robin's Nest. We take a minibus from Shan Shui Station and start the hike at Dam Shui Han Village, following the ribbon path up to Li Ma Han. It's a steep climb on a hot day, and it turns out I'm not the only one complaining about the fast-paced DJ hikes at.
When you talk about DJ, how fast he hikes, I'm actually grateful he's not here today because, George, you got a good pace going, buddy. This is good for me. I'm too old for this crap.
See? DJ, you hear that? We continued on a path up to a forest. After crossing 2 streams and a broken bridge, we reached the amount of golden soil. That's the abandoned mine. Following the stairs up, you can turn left to explore 2 small mining caves first, and then walk back to the main path to the largest mine cave.
George, we made it.
We made it.
Yeah, we made it. Did you know that this is the largest, most popular cave along the Robin's Nest Trail?
Really, yeah.
Yeah, and doesn't it feel good in here, man? Does it feel cool?
Yeah. The view here is like spectacular, very stunning. But just bear in mind there are lots of wild animals living here, especially like bats. So we try to not to disturb them. Yeah.
Good point.
Coming out from the cave, we followed the path up and carried on to an old border observation post, the Macintosh Fort of Kwon San. In front of us is a coastal frontier area down to Li Ma Han Village, and people without a valid permit are not allowed to go ahead. We turned left and continued on the path up to Robin's Nest. Once we reached the top, Shenzhen emerged with spectacular views of the cityscape. From here, there's a concrete path taking you straight down to Sa Tau Gok Road and back into the city. Okay, so this is the end of this episode. We have finally made it to the Robin's Nest. What do you think, Robin?
George, it was awesome. We saw some really neat things. We saw some caves, saw a fort. I mean, just look at this beautiful scenery, buddy.
Yeah, turn around the camera and you're gonna see Shenzhen behind us. The view is just spectacular.
That was awesome, George.
Okay, finally, quick shout out to our sponsor Kylus. Thank you. We love using your stuff. And for now, my name is George.
I'm Robert.
And this is John
and
and Fern.
Fern.